This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Ray Johnson. Meticulous, beautiful Meridian 55+ community home located in Stockbridge, Georgia. This all-brick, low-maintenance home has beautiful wood floors in the combo family room, dining room, and sunroom. It also has a screen porch and a rear patio overlooking a beautiful wooded backyard. The fabulous ceramic tiled eat-in kitchen has updated cabinets, west/slide-out drawers, and a separate laundry closet. The main bedroom has a sitting area, an extra-large full bath, and a second bedroom and bath. The bonus room upstairs can be a third bedroom/office where a closet could easily be added. The attached garage has a storage area under the steps. Relax by the pool or enjoy the clubhouse, where the HOA includes lawn maintenance. Community is sidewalk, community west/underground utilities, and street lights. The annual HOA fee is $1,320, which includes lawn maintenance. Close to McDonough and Stockbridge shopping areas. For more information, review the details below or contact Ray Johnson at 404-771-9336.